going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Crypto Teacher and the new Road Order book. The new Road Order book is going to show you how the world works. It is definitely time to wake up out of your sleep in the times that we're in right now. Plus, guys, we know we're waiting on that next main event towards the end of the year. We had the first quarter event. Like I told you, that would happen. Don't forget this is Shemitah year. And then also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's definitely time to re-educate. And also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. Do not forget I have the New World Order cryptos in my Patreon. Do your own research, but going inside of a bear market, you definitely want the cryptos that have real use cases. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And right now, Bitcoin and cryptos have received a decent pump. But guys, we know options are tomorrow. We're starting to see yields rise, so we know we're going to pull back. But we had a lot of DeFi and altcoins get a nice pump. But like I stated, guys, we're definitely going to have a pullback. Do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates, and like I stated, we see they are creeping up, so we know we're going to be having a pullback. We have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC, plus we have the Fed. And guys, a lot of moving pieces going on. A lot of distractions that the central banks can pull from, so therefore they can run the money in the back door. We have repo over $2 trillion. We just had Boris Johnson resign. We know NATO is getting set up. We see the BRICS trying to add other nations. The chess pieces are on the board. It's about to be a battle. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. And then don't forget about Grayscale. Move down slightly, not a lot. But guys, don't forget to pay attention to the allocations. And we know the SEC spot Bitcoin movie is going to continue. Now, getting over into a little crypto news. We have Elon Musk, Boring Company, will accept Dogecoin for Las Vegas loot. Now, guys, we have not received any confirmation of that, but we know anytime Elon Musk tweets about Dogecoin is going to get that pump. Now, we have Binance set to drop Bitcoin trading fees to 0 on select pairs globally. So at first it was Binance.us, now it's Binance. And what are exchanges? That's right, banks. You might not pay a fee to trade Bitcoin, but while you're on that platform, then you're going to be trading other cryptos, and they know that. It's all about getting the fees. Now we have Shiba new plans to launch a stablecoin. Also games for the metaverse. And when we look at play to earn, all these games will have tokens, but we know it's going to be pegged to the US dollar or whatever currency that you're actually using. Now we have Animoca, WeMade, and Samsung Next Back Web3 Studio to develop open source games. 32 million raised to build a gaming ecosystem based on Live Planet blockchain technology. And we know what you've all stated. Well, everybody's sitting at home, what are they going to be doing? Not working. They're going to be playing games and getting high. We know the NWO wants the sheep inside the metaverse. Now we have Ethereum scaling solution Immutable X will allow Ethereum to dollar withdrawals. Also, we have Convoy Ventures launches a $150 million fund targeting Web3 gaming. And yes, guys, the money is still flowing in. We know millennials and Generation Z are definitely the target. Now we have British investment managers call for blockchain-traded funds approval. And we know why, guys. They want those digital tokens substituting the traditional shares. We know it's right around the corner, guys. Everything's going to be tokenized and put on blockchain. And then on top of it, guys, going to be real-time settlement. And we know Paxos is working on that. And lastly, we have despite Voyager claims, his bank says FDIC insurance will not protect customers' USD deposits from firms' bankruptcy. But guys, we know from the beginning, we know the Fed was handing out all this free money. When they started to raise the rates, we know that's going to shrink liquidity. And I've been telling you this since last year. So we know these people who are in charge of these companies knew also. Guys, it's all part of the plan. We know when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, new to cryptos, Coinbase, BitChute, Binance, and not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home, get home stocks, the Seaware, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money. What they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know, I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.